Hey guys, we got a box of Bowman Drafts Picks 2009, and we got a couple cards to recap from the card show. First, we got this in the mail day yesterday. A Patrick Turner Reebok logo patch, auto, out of 309. Lorenzo Booker for the PC, auto. And an Asante Samuel jersey card, numbered out of 25. There. So, 24 packs, 2 hits. Let's see what it gets. Upside down. Okay, that was nothing. No, these aren't numbered.
I don't think any of the inserts are numbered.
Rookie cards.
You got a lot of rookie cards.
Yeah. 5 cards in the pack of rookies.
Where'd you say that?
Most of them are. Yeah. 4 cards every pack are rookies. So, next we got a couple videos coming up. We got 2009 Leaf Certified or Donner Certified, and that's about it. Matt Schwab out of 199. Matt Schwab insert. Hoping for some nice autos, maybe Sean Marino, Donald Brown, definitely Percy Harvin. Oh, keep flipping these cards around. Supposed to get a, oh, here it is. Corey Sheets, Letterman auto. It's nice. Gold out of 175. It's nice. Small letter there. Corey Sheets. Never really heard of him, but actually I'm pretty sure I've heard his name. Went to Purdue.
I've heard of him.
Another Hakeem Nicks, not numbered. Oh, here's our auto. It is Marlon Lucky. Is that numbered? Nope, not numbered. So, it's pretty good. Not numbered. Chris Johnson. Good for a Mark Sanchez rookie card here. Sean Green, something like that.
You already got a Mark Sanchez.
Oh, I did. Maybe I'll get an extra hit. You never know. Brandon Pettigrew rookie. Not numbered. Chad Ochocinco. It's funny. Doesn't say Ochocinco. 2009 product. It should. No Sean Marino rookie. You know what? So annoying.
You got a lot of rookies, though.
Probably get the entire, most of the draft class in this. With all these.
I have all the good ones already. Just
Kurt Warner.
the one. The no Sean Edel and Sean McCoy in the same pack. I'm gonna take it.
Kenny Britt, rookie, not numbered. Red. Yeah, just call those red. Green. Really cheap box. This is $35. I'm not sure that's its regular price, but I'm pretty sure that's lower than its regular price. Eddie Royer, All-Star alumni. James Casey, red. AP on top. Peyton Manning, Gerard Mayo, Tennessee graduates. All-Star alumni. And Ricky Williams, red. Let me know if you want any rookies. Probably get you some. It's probably got doubles, even triples of guys. All-Star alumni, Eli Manning. Just got Peyton. Ray Moore. 3 packs left. Brett Favre, Jets uniform. Oh, 09 rookie All-Stars, Jeremy Maclin, not numbered. Red, Patrick Chung. Hoping for another blue border rookie. All-Star alumni, Reggie Bush, Troy Polamalu. Hey, here's a Corey Sheets rookie card. Check out his stats on that. Ronnie Brown. Oh, here's an Anquan Bolden white border. It's at a $2.99. 2 packs. AP, All-Star alumni. And a red, Brian Hoyer. Okay. Matt Ryan, Tony Romo, Jake Delhomme, Matt Forte, All-Star alumni, and Darius Hayward Bay, red. So, that's it. Remember to subscribe. Just the Corey Sheets, Letterman Auto, numbered at 175, and the Malcolm Lucky rookie auto. So, see ya. Be sure to check out our Leaf Donruss Certified video.